Have you ever wondered what makes water, well, water? Or why oxygen and hydrogen come together to form this essential liquid we all know and love? The answer lies in the magical world of chemical bonds, the unseen forces that hold atoms together to form molecules and compounds. In the vast universe of chemistry, atoms are the stars. They are the smallest units of an element that still retain the properties of that element. But just like stars in the cosmos, atoms don't like to be alone. They seek companionship, and they find it through a process known as chemical bonding. So, what is a chemical bond? At its most basic, a chemical bond is a force of attraction between two atoms. This attraction arises due to the sharing, loss, or gain of electrons from the outermost shell of an atom, also known as the valence shell. There are three main types of chemical bonds: covalent, ionic, and metallic bonds. Covalent bonds occur when atoms share electrons. Picture two friends sharing a pizza. No one loses, no one gains, they simply enjoy the pizza together. That's a covalent bond for you, a bond of sharing. Next, we have ionic bonds. These occur when one atom completely transfers its electron or electrons to another atom. Imagine a generous friend who gives away his entire pizza to another friend. That's an ionic bond, a bond of giving and taking. Lastly, there's the metallic bond. This happens when electrons are free to move around a network of positive ions. Visualize a group of friends where everyone has a bit of everyone's pizza. That's a metallic bond, a bond of communal sharing. Understanding these bonds is essential because they determine the physical and chemical properties of substances. They explain why water is liquid at room temperature, why diamond is so hard, and why metals conduct electricity. In summary, chemical bonds are the invisible ties that bind atoms together to create everything we see around us. They are formed through the sharing, loss, or gaining of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. The three main types of chemical bonds are covalent, ionic, and metallic bonds, each with unique properties and behaviors. So the next time you look at a glass of water, remember the incredible world of chemical bonds that makes it possible. After all, without these bonds, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The world of chemistry is indeed a magical one, filled with unseen forces that shape our very existence.